How to see hidden text on Telegram. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can see hidden text on Telegram. If you want to see hidden text on Telegram, you will need to follow these steps. First of all, you will need to open your Telegram application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are logged into your account, you need to navigate to the chat where the hidden text is located. Once you find it, tap on it to open it. Hidden texts are often blurred out. Now to view this hidden text, you need to tap on the blurred message or the prompt to view the hidden text. And depending on the settings of the sender, you may need to tap to reveal the content. Once you tap on it, you will be able to see the hidden text. So by following these steps, you should be able to see hidden text on Telegram. So I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.